Updating your address with Schwab is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the ishrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account or profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select address update. In the account settings, look for an option labeled personal information or address. Click on this option to proceed with updating your address. Step 4. Enter your new address. You will see fields to enter your new address. Fill in the required information accurately, including street address, city, state, and zip code. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Update button to finalize the changes. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the update. Keeping your address current ensures you receive important documents and communications from Schwab.